Are you new to Instagram and want to get more followers fast? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, I want to share with you a fast way to get followers to your Instagram account. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a video giving tips like things that you must do to get started with Instagram, right? And basically, I said you must be hashtagging, because before I wasn't hashtagging on my posts, and then when I started, I instantly seen more action, more followers, more comments, more DMs, whatever. And it was all just because of hashtags. But in that video, I talked about using relevant hashtags. So you might have been thinking like, okay, well, how do I get relevant hashtags? All right. So in this video, I want to reveal a website that I actually got from another YouTuber, and it works great when trying to find tags, and it is called Display Purposes. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Just hit that more info, whatever, and you'll see it down there. It's a free site, and all you need to do is type in like your keyword. So if you're into fitness like me, you can go over to the site. All you got to do is put in weight loss, right? Boom. As soon as you put that in, you're going to get a whole bunch of relevant hashtags that you can use in your Instagram post. So now you don't have to use all of the tags that they give you, but you can actually pick and choose if you want, or you can use them all, whatever fits you. Remember, on Instagram, you're only allowed 30 hashtags. So you want to be, I don't want to say too picky, but this website will give you a lot of different hashtags, so you can pick and choose. You can also, after you use one keyword, you can go right back in, and if it was weight loss, then you could put in healthy eating, right? Type that in, and then you'll see a whole bunch of relevant hashtags to come up. And you could just save these keywords, like I said in the previous video. You need to save them on your phone, whatever kind of notebook you use on your phone. Just title it, weight loss, Instagram, whatever, list 1, right? Put all your keywords in. I keep saying I'm used to keywords, but put in your hashtags, right? Then put, list 2, and then put a different group of relevant hashtags. And every time you go to Instagram and you make a post, all you got to do is go back in your phone, find the proper hashtags, copy them, go right back over to that Instagram post, post it as a comment, and you good to go. Or you can edit the post and do ... and then put the hashtags, whatever you prefer. All right. So guys, this is a great little website, a great little tool you could use to grow your Instagram following. Now, like I said in the last video talking about Instagram, if you're trying to take your Instagram to like a whole nother level where like you damn near trying to build a business from your Instagram account, you definitely want to check out Xtractor. All right. This is a software that you can use, and it pretty much automates all of your Instagram. All right. It will follow people for you, unfollow people. It will comment for you. It will like posts for you. It will follow different hashtags for you. So literally, once you get set up with the software, you good to go. And it doesn't matter how many accounts you have. There's a plan if you have one account, or like me, I think I have 4 accounts right now. So you can use this, and it literally automates everything for you guys. So I'll put a link to that as well. It's called Instado, and you can use that, like I said, to grow your Instagram account. And this will actually do it really, really fast. And a side note, you know how if you're on Instagram and sometimes you make a post or a comment, or you start following somebody and you get a little private message or something like that, a lot of times, guys, those are automated. So not to ruin your day. But sometimes people just have their account set up that when someone follows them, automatically they have a message that goes out. And this is great for if you're promoting stuff, affiliate product or whatever. You can literally, when someone follows you, have it set up where a message will go out instantly. Like, hey, thanks for following me. You know, and just let you know I'm in the weight loss niche and I have a wonderful weight loss program. You could do that if you want. It doesn't matter. All right. So check that out if you're trying to take things to another level. If not, check out the free website to get free relevant hashtags. I feel like I'm out of breath. Hopefully this video helped you. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to this channel because you see I'm dropping that content all the time. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.